Very vibrant red colour.
Vegan sausage sandwich. Oh. For homemade vegan burgers, I think Hello, welcome to today's video. How are you? I hope you're all doing very, very well. Today's video, I thought I would vlog little snippets of all the meals I make from the Morrisons Vegan Food Parcel. Last week I uploaded a video where I unboxed the Morrisons Vegan Food Box, and there was some great stuff in there, some really, really good stuff. And from today onwards I wanted to try and make meals from what was in the box, eat some stuff, review some stuff. We're actually just about to make our first meal already from the Morrisons Food Box. I'm excited for today's video. I'm excited to try all the stuff I got in the food box. I thought it was great value for money, personally. It's lunchtime now. Let's go make some lunch. If you're new to the channel, by the way, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos every single week all about living your best life on a budget. Please subscribe and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited. Okay, the first thing we are trying this week is the Heck vegan sausages. They kind of just look like normal Cumberland.
Yeah, they do.
Sausages, wouldn't you say?
Yeah, they're kind of pinky.
This is what they look like pre-cooking. What does it say actually? Best results if fry them, yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna have just a vegan sausage sandwich. Oh, we should use the vegan butter as well, actually. Put our sausages on.
Yeah. Okay.
They kind of smell like beans. They smell like baked beans. Anyway, let's get them in the sandwiches. Okay, we've made our sausage sandwiches. They look okay. I don't know, they remind us of the little sausages you get in the beans and vegan sausage tins. But let's try them. We also use the sunflower butter.
Oh yeah.
Vegan butter. So it's a total vegan sausage sandwich. Which isn't new to us, by the way. We do actually.
Yeah, you know what? Like the texture and the flavour is much better than the smell. They're quite firm. It's not necessarily a bad thing. Sort of texture-wise, they remind me of those bits of, you know, the vegan kebabs, like the meat in the vegan kebab. It's a bit like that.
I think they're quite nice. Definitely had better, flavour-wise, in my opinion. Sainsbury's do these amazing vegan sausages that we love, but I actually like them. I would buy them again, and I would have them in this format. I wouldn't have them like with a dinner.
They're really good with sauces in a sandwich, but if you're going to have them by themselves with mashed potato and beans and stuff.
No. Okay, I don't know if you remember, if you did watch the food parcel that I unboxed, but they sent me like breakfast type items, which were the cereal. They also sent me plant-based milk and a plant-based yogurt, so I can either have the cereal with yogurt or milk. I think I'm gonna go for the plant-based yogurt today because I've actually never tried it. So let's give it a go. I'm just trying to get it out of the cupboard at the moment. Accidentally vegan cereal, which is the apple and cinnamon crisp cluster type things, and cluster type cereal is always my favorite cereal. And then we've got the plain no sugars plant-based yogurt, which actually smells exactly like Greek yogurt. I can't believe I've never tried this before. I used to really enjoy like having this type of food, like yogurt with a bit of cereal or passion fruit yogurt. Yum, that's my fave. Anyway, so let's give this a go. Firstly, I would have had absolutely zero idea that this was vegan. Exactly the same as the normal yogurt. What I find really interesting and really good about this is it has the probiotics that your body needs, which a lot of dairy products do give you. You need to try this, apple and cinnamon crisp. It's delicious. I'm so impressed. I'm literally over the moon. And to be provided like these ingredients in a food box is such good value for money. I'm definitely repurchasing both of these items, which is what I love about the box, because already I'm deciding to repurchase items. So yeah. It's a new day, it's a new dawn. Well, actually it's later in the afternoon tonight. And we're having something else tonight from the Morrisons Vegan Food Box, so I definitely wanted to vlog it because it's an exciting one. We've got this vegan mince, which obviously came in the box. It looks amazing. It's from the Meatless Farm Company, and we're basically going to turn this mince into vegan burgers and barbecue them and just see how they turn out, because if this turns out into a really nice homemade burger, then I will be getting this a lot more often. And we might slice these up and also put them on the barbecue as well. These are 1 day out of date at the moment, at the time of filming this. They're absolutely fine, they've been in the fridge. So, going to make the vegan burgers now. Oh, we're also going to be having in our vegan burgers some vegan cheese. I've already tried vegan cheese once on pizza, and it wasn't too bad. A little bit runny, but it wasn't too bad. These will go in with our burgers. I'm going to season my burgers with Montreal steak seasoning. Obviously this is fully vegan. Obviously it didn't come in the Morrisons box, but you've got to season your homemade burgers. That's what you do. Yeah, I'm going to roll this into 2 massive burger patties. I think that'll make 2 huge burger patties, to be honest.
How much does it weigh? 400 grams?
400 grams.
400 grams? That's
Yeah.
like 4 quarter pounders.
So should we have a double pounder each? Is that what it?
Half a pound.
Half a pound.
Half a pounder each. Should we go for a half a pounder? Go big or go home sort of scenario?
Really? Or would that be too overkill?
We could go for quarter pounders.
Okay, I'm gonna sneeze. Hay fever. We're gonna go for quarter pounders. Luckily you stepped in then, because I was about to make 2 massive patties.
Well, we still might. Let's not rule it out.
What does that smell?
Smell it?
I can't eat that. Smells. Is it cauliflower? Oh no, what is that smell?
So, look, there's nothing nasty in here. It's just going to be either soy, pea protein, something like that.
I'll cut it first.
Alright. The thing is, right, it looked through the packaging very much like meat, and the more you get it out, the less like meat it looks.
Is that going to be enough for 1 burger?
No, it's not. This is the Sophie method.
Doesn't look too bad.
It doesn't. Oh right, yeah. I was thinking it was going to be a lot heavier than it was.
No, it's really
but
light.
not. Yeah, looks like Play-Doh.
Now I'm going to season it. Steak seasoning. This is from Costco, by the way. Highly recommend it.
Kind of got a bit of like a McDonald's burger sort of vibe to it when you smell it. It's got garlic and dill and all of that sort of stuff.
For homemade vegan burgers, I think they look good. So let's go put them on the microwave. Let's go put them on the microwave.
Yeah.
Let's go put them on the BBQ. With the peppers, we're just going to, what?
Literally, I'm going to keep them pretty much whole. Put some olive oil on them. And some salt. A lot of it.
Nice.
They're
Great.
just barbecued.
Cool.
Yeah.
I am going to add some olive oil to them because there's no fat on them. Don't want them to get too dry. I'm going to cut some cheese, this Violife cheese or Violife block. I've never actually tried this before. I must say it has like a cheese smell. Yeah, really cheesy smell actually. Ooh, really cheesy. Anyway, apparently it melts great, so we're going to put it on our burgers and hopefully it does taste nice. I think if you're thinking about being vegan, it's a really good idea to buy that box. Okay, so we just sat down with our barbecued burgers. First impressions of the cheese.
Yeah.
On the package it says it's very melty, but in reality it's not melty at all. In fact, it's just like a rubber.
It's a bit wobbly.
Wobbly. And the peppers look really nice. We never buy peppers really, do we?
No.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Careful, it's really got juice in. Peppers are great. Okay, I'm gonna have a bite without ketchup first, just to like properly taste the cheese in the burger.
I suppose I should do the same.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, go on then.
alright.
It tastes like a vegan burger.
It needs more flavour, even more than we put, and I put a lot of that stuff on. Maybe a sauce, like I am going to add ketchup because I think ketchup will make it so much better.
Yeah, but the cheese is good actually, to be fair. As somebody who eats cheese, normal dairy cheese, regularly,
Yeah.
it didn't register us off in any way. It tasted just like cheese.
Still a good dinner, so well done, Morris.
Well done.
We're going to enjoy it still
We are.
with a lot of ketchup. Hello, it is a new day. Today for lunch, I thought I would make a pasta dish from the Morrisons Vegan Box we got. So if you do remember, they did send us some pasta. They sent us some passata sauce, onions. They sent us the vegan mince. And did they send garlic?
No.
They didn't send garlic, but I am going to use garlic today. Various different things to make like a pasta type dish. So I'm going to make some. It's still the morning, but I'm going to pre-make a bit of lunch for today. I actually have half the mince left over from our homemade vegan burgers the other day. So I'm going to use this half a mince. Pasta. So we have the passata sauce and some of these. We've actually already used one of the vegan stock pots. We used it in an onion gravy on the weekend, which I totally forgot to film. Let me just tell you, it made the gravy taste so rich and delicious, exactly what I want. So I know it works well in gravy, but I'm going to add it into the pasta sauce today just to see if it gets really rich. They sent us this penne pasta and yeah, some onions. So let's make a little pasta dish. For a long time now, but because it's not real mince, it stays this colour. So it's something definitely to take into consideration. As long as you fry this, it will remain pink. Whilst the pasta is cooking, I'm also going to grate a carrot into the mixture because it naturally sweetens it, gives it a lovely flavour, and Morrisons did provide carrots. Because I am going to be also grating some cheese, some via fake cheese. Looks really good, to be honest.
It's got a very vibrant red colour.
It does. It really does. So when I was frying it, I said to the camera that it doesn't change colour at all.
Oh, so it doesn't brown?
The whole time it's pink. It does
not
really? Brown. Yeah. Another thing, just to mention, because there's no fat in there, it dries out very, 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 very quickly. So if I was to do this again, I would probably, I added olive oil, but I'd probably like add maybe a bit of water and stock. I don't know.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah. It's not bad.
Not bad.
Better than
Completely
corn.
vegan.
Better than corn.
I can't believe that, like completely vegan. I definitely recommend to grate the carrot though and put the carrot in, just because the mince for me, I'm just a bit like, I probably wouldn't buy that mince again. I think it's got a weird flavour.
Yeah.
But what would you have, the burger or the like pasta?
This.
Would you?
Yeah, if you were able to, like, I don't know, do you know what I mean? Like, kind of, you know when we do like a bolognese, it's like, we have it on all day.
Well, let the flavours combine. The stock cube, I think, is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
Really impressed with them, definitely buying them again. The cheese, I'm on the fence with. I might test out a few other vegan cheeses.
Passata was good.
The passata was great.
Yeah.
Like, I think it's actually a really, really good meal and I would have it again. I might experiment when it comes to the minces though. When I eat vegan mince, it's got like this really faux flavour for me and I don't know what it is. Overall, I think it's a good 7 out of 10 meal.
I think so. Yeah, I'd agree with that.
There has been like quite a few things in this box that I would definitely buy again, like Personally, I would definitely buy the sausages. You would eat them again, but probably not buy them again.
Yeah.
The butter, I think, is fabulous. Also, just really annoyingly, some of the footage got deleted or went missing. So basically, in the Morrisons box, if you saw, we got like these southern fried chicken pieces, and we taste tested them on camera and everything, but we only ate them like yesterday. So we thought they were great. You preferred them more than me.
Yep.
The texture, it like pulled like chicken. It was amazing.
It was really, you know, it was kind of like the KFC vegan thing that we had at KFC.
Oh, I suppose it kind of was actually. A little bit.
That just came to me. Yeah.
So if you do see that at Morrisons, I do recommend it. Personally, I still prefer the corn southern fried bites.
I probably would too, if nothing else, for the price, because those Morrisons ones aren't cheap.
And there's only 6. Anyway, so there was lots of good things in that box. I hope you enjoyed today's video anyway, seeing what we've done with everything. Let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel out. And also don't forget to subscribe because I will be doing a lot more of the £25 grocery challenges in all the other supermarkets with follow-up videos of this, blah, 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 blah. We're gonna eat our pasta. And yeah, I'll see you again very soon.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.